Road construction is good for you when you're on a bike.
Hello, for Musef. All right, thank you so much. All right, we got that order picked up from Five Guys. Riding the electric tricycle today. This street right here, fully closed right now because they're doing construction work on it. So bad news if you're in a car. Doesn't matter for me though on a bike. Actually, it's better for me on a bike because now I don't have to deal with traffic. How often do you get to just ride right in the middle of a huge 5-6 lane street? It's pretty sweet. Okay, looks like we're going here, but yikes. There's a thing in my way. Luckily I can push through this. All right, got that order delivered, and road construction actually kind of benefits you when you're doing deliveries on a bike.